Part of the job of any designer is to be really progressive, is to be thinking 10, 20 years ahead, way ahead. We've got some very critical problems in the world. The designer is a very human kind of an individual with their finger on the pulse of life.
But I think designers are the kings of change. We make change, we create change, and we will always be at the forefront of it, hopefully.
How do you talk about your designs? How do you talk about it that's convincing? How do you design so that it talks for itself? Communication is a huge part of design. If an object speaks for itself, then people know what to do with it.
To be a good designer, you need to be a student of observation, and you have to consider the fact that you will forever be a student of observation. For me, it's about my target customer looking at that product and immediately knowing what that product will do and how it will benefit them.
There's a lot of products that are not very good. There's a fair amount of products that are quite good, and there's very few that are really great. I think that's the reality of what we live in, right? It's extremely difficult to do great products, and you have to have a lot of luck and a lot of conditions aligned.
Things don't immediately look like they have a serious application. You dig a bit further and your mind starts to expand around what you could possibly do with such a thing.
It's one thing to have designed a really beautiful object or product, another thing to actually see its longevity for the near future and how it might shape society, culture, human well-being, whatever the issues are.
Breadth of what we've seen in the professional panel, and then we try and compare two very different things and see where are the design principles that should be awarded over perhaps another entry.
until now, we're in a very interesting new twist of design events, where design has moved from drawing and styling and just product development into strategic, integrated business planning as part of the company structure.
Design is one part of the quality of the product. The most important thing is that if we do something new, it should at least be better for us, for our using, maybe also from the cost, it's a benefit. The production maybe is better, even for the workers who produce these things, maybe it's a benefit. So we have to see all the package, not only the design.
I always feel I want a product that I would be proud to have designed, a product that I believe you almost cannot tell where it comes from, it's so brilliant. I don't like products generally that draw too much attention to themselves. I think a great product is like a great butler. It is impeccable and impervious, but it's not there when you don't need it.